Did you know that Hiccup's mom might have been hiding a second Night Fury this whole time? When Hiccup meets his mom, she says Toothless and Hiccup are the same age. Sounds normal, until what happens next. Because Valka lifts her hand and instantly triggers Toothless's alpha mode, like she's done it before. Not even Hiccup, the first Night Fury rider, knew Toothless could do that. Here's the thing, Valka's whole sanctuary is built on saving rare, injured dragons. She doesn't just rescue them, she studies them, and Grimmel claims he hunted every Night Fury. So what if one Night Fury barely escaped, and Valka found it first?